more books and no more tests, just lazy days and picnic rests. Sun is shining, sky so blue, ice cream cones and sandals too. Water splashes, paper boats, wearing hats and floaty coats. Morning cartoons, no alarm, playing outside on Grandpa's farm, laughing loud and jumping high, drawing rainbows in the sky. Pack your bag with games and toys, holidays bring happy joys. Let's go ride our bikes today, sing and dance the stress away.